Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I help you learn, create, and discover. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to put the watermark image in your video that would actually prompt your viewers into subscribing to your channel. So you want to go into your YouTube studio and just go down to settings. And here you would see this channel. Click on that and then go to branding. So once you go to this branding, you would see this part where they suggest you to add video watermark to your content. So all you have to do is choose an image if you already have an image. Now the question is, where do you get the image? And to be safe, of course, you have to get those stock photos or images that could actually be legally used as your branding watermark. Okay, so I was able to find this helpful website that actually provides us with free YouTube subscribe button PNGs for YouTube's branding watermark, which I will also write in the description box below. Let's just choose any image that we feel, okay, any image that we think we want to put. Okay, so all we have to do is just save that image, and then we go back to our channel here. Okay, branding, and then choose that particular image we just saved. So for my case, I tried a lot actually. Okay, so one of them worked pretty well, and this is, yep, this one. So let's just put that here, and as you can see, it will appear like that, either all throughout your video, end of your video, or you want to customize it when you would want to make that watermark appear. So in my experience previously, when I just clicked in end of the video, nothing actually happened. So in order to save your time, just because I already did that, okay, I clicked this, I clicked that, and it didn't really appear in my videos. So what I did was custom, and then I just put specific time, maybe after 2 seconds, once my video played, just like maybe 1 second. Okay, so once my video started, after the first second, it will pop in like that. So I just feel like I like it that way. So some YouTubers would suggest you not to put this watermark entirely because it doesn't catch too much attention. Well, for me, it still depends on you because it's, at the end of the day, it's your branding. By the way, you could also choose to create your own, be creative, you know, put your name on it, or do stuff like that, as long as it follows the size requirement of this particular watermark. So anyway, let's go and save that. And then now we're going to go and see if it actually appears on our video. So let's go to our channel and check on specific videos. So in this one, this is like my featured video. So we could already see it appear right there, here. So the benefit of this one, again, as mentioned, is just by pointing at that, it could prompt you to subscribe. Now in here, because I'm using my own account, definitely I could not subscribe to myself, okay? But if you're using a different account, let's say for example, your friend's account or just sign out account, it would definitely appear there and it would prompt you to subscribe. So when I discovered this, it's made a lot of difference. And also, by the way, you want to try another feature of YouTube, which is to put something like this. Okay, this is applicable as an end screen, but however, this one is only available at the end of your video, unlike watermark that is available all throughout. Okay, whenever they just bump into it, okay, bump into that, okay, subscribe, okay, things like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and check our end screen where we could actually put that. So let's go to videos and edit. Okay, some older videos, I don't have that. So edit that, and somewhere down here you could see end screen. So click on that, and here you could just choose. So this circle here represents that part where you could actually put your channel and so they could subscribe. Okay, so I could just put this one probably, and we could move that anywhere we want to, and then suggest a video best for viewer or maybe most recent upload. Okay, and just save that. And same thing, it also will appear that way. So let's go back to that video. So there are actually two ways to prompt your viewers into subscribing that I myself have found useful. So this was a video that we edited, that we put sort of like end screen effect there. Okay, here, let's put some sound to make sense. There. Okay, so it appears like that. So they've got lots of options already. Okay, so they have the watermark here and the end screen card or whatsoever. So I hope this video tutorial helps you, and if it does, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to be updated whenever I post new videos. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye!